following this developing story here tonight. A 15-year-old boy is dead tonight after what police believe was an intentional attack.
It happened outside the Somali center of Kansas City. Fox 4's Megan Briley is working for you live near Admiral and the Paseo, just east of downtown, and spoke to the victim's family. Megan, bring us up to date.
Very active crime scene here still tonight. You can see police say the crash happened right here outside of this mosque. They say the 15-year-old was here with his father. You can see this is the car that he was getting into when the crash happened. When police say a black SUV hit him, police say the suspect then tried to run, but they caught him and he is in custody. They say he's a male in his 30s. The 15-year-old's legs were severed in the crash. Police say the boy lost a lot of blood, and family confirmed to me that he has passed away. A second person was injured but is in stable condition. Police say this was no accident. Family and people heavily involved with the mosque say a man had been threatening people in the Muslim community for months now on Facebook. Several others involved with the mosque say the same man pointed a gun at them, threatening to kill them because of their Muslim religion.
But him actually come and try to run over kids, that's just ridiculous. Like, who does that? You know what I mean? I'm just very hurt. Our family's very hurt, and I'm praying, and please pray for our nephews.
Family says the victim of the crash, the 15-year-old, is the son of the leader of the mosque here. I did just speak with the victim's family. They tell me that he was brain dead, but they decided to take him off of life support. Megan Briley, Fox 4 News, working for you live in Kansas City, Missouri.